Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you've been dreaming of cutting your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. Today's video is going to feature nothing but beautiful short hairstyle ideas. So if you do feel inspired, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this beautiful undercut pixie to start off the video. She's rocking the platinum hair color trend, absolutely stunning. And then we move into a hair transformation. Beautiful curly pixie bob style. Really liking the texture that she has with this. So pretty and effortless. Next up, we have another beautiful bob. This one does feature some bottleneck bangs to frame the face and a gorgeous chocolate hair color. And then we see a mushroom style pixie cuts. This is a very popular 90s style pixie that has managed to make a major comeback. Next up, we have another chocolate colored pixie style. Beautiful fringe bangs in the front to frame out the face. Followed by an undercut style. So she does have a bob on top with the bangs going there. And then the rest of the hair is of course shaven. And then we have another undercut style. This is more of like a mini bob variation. We're seeing so many pixie bobs and mini bobs this season. It's a great in-between option if you want to go short and you want to keep some length, longer than a pixie, shorter than a bob. Next up, we have another pixie undercut style pixie. beautiful color combination for this one. It also features a nice line parting design going there on the side. And then we have another platinum pixie. This one features some gorgeous finger waves. And then we end the video with yet another beautiful pixie haircuts. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these short hairstyle ideas with me. Let me know in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite. Be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up if you felt some inspiration from all the styles. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.